Hey guys, I'm organizing all of my worn pantyhose. I have a lot, can you see? I should be crying right now because I just filmed a full video and it didn't work. Here we go again. Hey guys, I'm organizing my pantyhose drawer and I thought maybe you would like to come along for the ride. Like these Loyfers and little shorts and little shirt. Woo. Why don't you pour yourself a mega pint, take a seat. We are gonna go through my pantyhose and organize them. Welcome to Nylons. I guess I could organize these and put them back in the drawer. Or I could just stuff them in a pillowcase and take a nap. Whew. All right, I gotta organize these. I gotta have some order in my life. And yes, a few of you actually told me that my drawer was a little bit too messy. So yeah, thanks for that. This pair over here is a gorgeous pair of red CDRs. Whew, look at those. They are gorgeous. I would wear these under a pair of ripped jeans, just because the red is a little bit in your face. I like to keep it a little bit more of a subtle pop of color. You know how it is. Along with that red, we've got a pair of red Loyfers too. And see, I like red. I've got a bunch of stuff over here actually. Some commandos that have an amazing lace waist top. These have been around. They're almost at the end of their life. And then a pair of polka dots. Let me gotta see these. Some gorgeous polka dot pantyhose. This pair was a size too small for me, and I ended up ripping them the first time that I even put them on. So yeah, that's always sad. Here's some heavy duty Donna Karan with like a really amazing control top. It's probably hard for you to see all of that texture. Almost opaque. They're pretty thick. They're probably like a 40 or 60 denier. Gotta love black. The problem with black is my children, my fur babies, are white. So I always have to clean off my pantyhose of white fur. We got a little pattern over here. Pattern pantyhose are always fun, especially with like a little black dress. These ones are actually like a animal print. Aren't those gorgeous? And then I've got a bunch of Loyfers. Loyfers. Here's Neons. The shine. Gotta love the shine. That's what I'm wearing right now. These are the Loyfers. It's got a little run in them, so I guess that they're gonna have to find a new home soon. It's a pair of Chianti Loyfers, Satin 20. Oh, I love this pair. You've probably seen me in this pair quite a bit, especially recently. This is probably my favorite shade that's like different. I like it. I like it a lot. And then we've got some Givenchy white stockings. I've started wearing white more often and I'm actually enjoying it quite a bit. White is awesome too because my cats are white, so I don't have to worry too much of it looking terrible when their fur is all over it. Little white socks. I would call this plum color. These ones I got from Walmart, and Joyspun, I think, is the brand. They're super cute. I haven't put them on yet, but I am planning to wear them very soon on one of those chilly days. We have some seamless. These are CDRs. They also have runs all in them, so yeah, I do like to wear them still. They're low riders with a very interesting waistband. It's like built-in air conditioning, so you gotta love that. My Loyfers in Hunter Green. I've also worn these quite a bit lately too. You'll see some of my shorts that I've made in this pair. I think you'll like my shorts. We got some more Donna Karan, and you can see that there is heavy duty type control top over here. So it's almost like they are Spanx in a way, I guess, and pantyhose all at the same time. Woolfords again, this is kind of in a steel gray. I love this pair. I love this pair. Woolfords I find last so long. They rarely ever run, except for this pair, of course. But I've worn this pair so many times that I think I've gotten pretty good use out of this pair of neon 40s. Here's a pair of nude neon 40s, so a little bit lighter shade. Matches my skin tone pretty good. What do you think of the way I'm just rolling up my pantyhose? Like, I figure this is probably the best way to do it. I don't know. I know other people keep their pantyhose in the packages, but ain't nobody got time for that. This pair is the Hedoin pair that I have a video. These are the most comfortable pair of pantyhose that I like to wear these days. But check out the sole. Check out the sole. It's a reinforced sole. Cool, eh? I got a black pair as well. You'll see them in a couple of my previous videos. So make sure you go and binge watch all of those. Please and thank you. And then here's some nice tan, but super sheer. Silky Sheer is the brand name. And look how lovely that color is. There's a bit of a shine. Do you see that shine? Gotta love a shine, my friends. Some sheer black, because, you know, black rocks. And Commando, which I completely love because of this great lace top that you have. Really helps with any kind of muffin top situation you might have going on. Oh, and then I got some super sheer. These are kind of like light pinky brown. They're not white, but they're not nude. Super sheer. I think this is like 5 denier, but there's holes in them. Yeah, holes, but that's okay. I like to wear laddered pantyhose once in a while too. Doesn't take long for me to run a hole in my pantyhose, that's for sure. Lots of Woolford satin 20s. I fell in love with these satin 20s and I have almost every shade that you can think of. Every shade that you can think of. Whew. And we've got some Silka. You'll see with these Silkas, you have that panty design, so you can go commando in these and still have that privacy that some of us want. Thigh highs. These ones are stay-ups, so it has the little sticky inside. Nice, just plain black pair, really cute with some lingerie maybe, or a little dress on the night out. A nice date item, I think. Whew. I have a lot of nude, can you see? Nude and light are my favorite shades of pantyhose. And here's a darker pair of Woolford satin 20s. These ones are amazing. Sheer, obviously they're 20s with that shine. They're beautiful. They are beautiful. Oh, and this pair of thigh highs with the pink lace on top. Look how sheer these are. These have like absolutely no elasticity at all. They have a reinforced toe and a heel, but like no elasticity. So this is like sheer nylon right here. I love these ones. They're a little bit long for me, so they like come up super high, but that's okay. They have no runs in them yet, so I will hold on to them until the day comes. A few little knee highs over here. This is a pair of Fogle that are fishnets. I don't wear a lot of fishnets, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, isn't that cool? The color, the teal. Mwah, I love it. This pair I've layered over sheer pantyhose before. Okay, I'm gonna start having to put these in the actual drawer soon. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll put all the pantyhose, like I'll have all the black ones together and then get the sheer nudes and tans together. Kind of organize them that way, I guess. I'm not sure how long this will stay organized, but what the hell? Let's try. Let's try once and see how that goes. We'll put all the darks together, the grays, the blacks, the navy blues. Hey, it's looking pretty decent so far. Oh, check out this pair. It's got like some really awesome, oh, look at the cat fur. Damn it. Yeah. We'll just have to roll that out. But look at that, isn't that cute? It's got like that awesome leopard print. Some knee highs. Gotta love a little knee high. Pop them in there. And then we're gonna put all of the, let's move this back. And put all the nudes on the other side. My Loyfers in all different shades, caramel, gobi. We'll get my tans together, nudes, even ones with a little pattern, a little pop of color. My commando. Whew. I have a lot of pantyhose. But I feel like this drawer is looking better already. I feel like maybe I need another drawer. Because now I have my colors and my whites, so let's put the colors and the whites at the end here. Get that hunter green in there. And yeah, I've got a whole bunch of nylon socks, and there's a little pair of nylon socks here that have a cute little striped pattern. That would look cute underneath a pair of leggings, I would say. We've got some white, we've got some pinks, just some plain ones. Here's a purple pair of knee highs, red. Awesome. Okay, it's not the most organized drawer in the world, but I am feeling the vibe. You like it? See? Just put the colors together. How's that? Put the blacks together too. See? It's looking more organized already. Gotta love a little blue. This pair is a pair of crotchless. It's glossy. Shiny. They feel oily. They're really cool though. I like them. Bam. So many different styles. Here's another pair of Loyfers. These are satin 20s again. Oh, check out this waistband. It is super thin, pretty much just like a reinforced nylon. That's my kind of pair of pantyhose. Something that doesn't dig into you. And then a darker shade over here, just to give me a little instant tan. Why not, right? And some blues and blacks and some more gray nylon socks. These have got to be Warners. Check out that waistband. It is amazing. They've definitely been worn a few times because I love Warners. I love Warners. So, check out my drawer. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty schmazzy. I think I did good. Keep the pinks on that side. Not sure how long it's gonna last, but whatever. Oh, this pair of Fogels with all the patterns. Love them. They have a huge run in them. So, yeah. Sad, but who knows? Maybe they can be repurposed. Maybe someone else will love these. Maybe I'll give them away. Maybe my next Pantyhose giveaway. These have been around. I ended up with a few lost. Oh, there. I found its match. But some of these, no match. Guess I'll have to find them somewhere else. I don't know where they are. There's always going to be those odd socks, right? So I'll just have to keep them close by. Oh, this one's cute. This one's a Fogel, I believe, and I love these. Nice black, but I found it. Awesome. I love it when I find a match. These are cute. I like these. So we'll just put these guys aside and hope for the best that they show up sometime in the near future. So out of all those ones that I showed you, which ones do you like the best? I know I haven't put any on, but you'll see the black neons. So I'm giving away another pair of pantyhose. I got something in my eye. Cat hair, probably. So the way that you can enter my Pantyhose giveaway is to either become a member of my YouTube channel. That means you just click the join button that's under this video. You get a whole bunch of perks like special emojis that you can use during live streams and commenting on my videos. I also post some exclusive photos. You'll automatically get entered into every Pantyhose giveaway or tights giveaway that I have, which is usually about once a month. So either join my YouTube membership right now, or you can go head over to one of my VIP fan pages and hit me up there. Let me know that you want to be in on the next tights giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy pantyhose just as much as I do. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button now. Thank you so much for helping me organize my drawer. It's actually looking stellar right now and I'm so happy. I hope I can keep them this organized.
You rock, Nylons rock. Ciao.